Hello viewers, welcome back to Myinfomaster channel. Today in this video I am going to tell you basic questions and answers of 6th class students. So let's start our video with the first question. Question number 1. What is the full form of news? NEWS. North, East, West and South. Question number 2. Entomology is the study of. Your answer is insects. Question number 3. What is the square root of the 144? Your answer is 12. Question number 4. What is the boiling point of water? The answer is 100 degree is the boiling point of water. Question number 5. Who was the first Indian which go to space? The answer is Rakesh Sharma. Question number 6. When is Earth Day celebrated? The answer is 22 April. Question number 7. Name the acid that is secreted in the stomach. Your answer is hydrochloric acid. Question number 8. What is the full form of PDF? PDF. The answer is portable document format. Question number 9. What is the name of 8th solar system? The 8 planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Question number 10. What is the distance between the Earth and Moon? Your answer is 3,84,400 km. Question number 11. What is the orbital period of Moon? Your answer is 27 days. Question number 12. International Business Machine IBM was established in. Your answer is in 1911. Question number 13. What is the full form of Wi-Fi? WIFI. The full form of Wi-Fi is wireless fidelity. Question number 14. Which state of India records the highest production of tea? Your answer is tea production in Assam was approximately 702 million kilograms in the year of 2019. Question number 15. What is the full form of modem is? Your answer is modulator, demodulator. Question number 16. Digital numbering system which uses 16 different digits from 0 to 9 and A to F is. Your answer is hexadecimal system. Question number 17. Which planet is known as the morning and evening star? Your answer is Venus is known as the morning and evening star. Question number 18. What is the second largest cat species in the world? Your answer is lion. Question number 19. How many times does a human heart beat in a day? Your answer is adult heart beats about 1 lakh times a day. Question number 20. Indian Science Congress 2020 was held in Bangalore. Question number 21. Who was the first human to reach on space? The answer is Russian cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin. Question number 22. What is the weight of a cricket ball? The answer is 5.75 ounce. Question number 23. Which is the mineral found in teeth and limestones? Your answer is calcium. Question number 24. Which vitamin helps to heal the wound? Your answer is vitamin C. Question number 25. Who is the fastest man in the world? The answer is Usain Bolt. I hope viewers you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also like and share my video with your friends. Thank you. See you next video viewers. Allah Hafiz.